Install your unpaired system. Before starting, make sure to turn off the main power supply. Switch off the circuit breaker to ensure complete safety while working with electrical components. Now, take the IR receiver. Connect the live, brown wire, and neutral, blue wire from your power supply to the input terminals of the receiver. Next, connect the output terminals to your infrared heating panel, matching live, brown to live, and neutral, blue to neutral. Don't forget to connect the PE wire, the protective earth, to ensure proper grounding and electrical safety. Double-check all connections to make sure they are secure and properly insulated. Once everything is connected, you can safely restore power. The receiver is now ready for pairing. Before starting, make sure to disconnect the power to prevent any risk during installation. Start by connecting the power to the 220 to 240 volt AC side of the driver, which is used to power the LED light on the panel. Connect the blue wire to neutral, N, and the brown wire to line, L. Then, on the 24 volt DC output side of the driver, connect the red wire to the positive plus terminal and the black wire to the negative minus terminal. Now, take the LED receiver. Begin by connecting the red and black wires that come from the 24 volt side of the driver. Red wire to the positive plus terminal, black wire to the negative minus terminal. Then, connect the output terminals to the LED light on the panel. Red to positive and black to negative. You may also notice a terminal labeled NC. This stands for not connected and is not used in any setup. Make sure all wiring is correct and securely fastened. Once completed, restore the power. Receiver is ready and waiting for thermostat. Once powered on, both the IR and LED receivers automatically enter receiver pairing mode by default. This means they are ready to be paired with a primary IR receiver. To set up the primary IR receiver, the IR receiver must be switched from receiver pairing mode to thermostat pairing mode. Press and hold the button on the IR receiver. The indicator will cycle through colors: purple, blue, and then green. When the green color appears, release the button. The IR receiver is now in thermostat pairing mode, and it will be set as the primary receiver. Remember, only one primary receiver is allowed per thermostat, and it must be an IR receiver. Up to 6 receivers in total can be paired, 1 primary IR receiver and 5 secondary receivers, including both IR and LED receivers. To power the thermostat, begin by turning it over to access the back. Gently slide the battery cover downward to open it. Inside, you'll see 2 slots for AA batteries. Insert the batteries, making sure to follow the correct polarity as shown in the video. Once both batteries are in place, slide the cover back on until it clicks. The thermostat will automatically power on and is now ready for pairing. With the IR receiver in thermostat pairing mode and the LED receiver already in pairing mode, the thermostat will now begin scanning for devices. On the screen, you'll see the number of found devices. In this case, the thermostat will detect 2 receivers, the IR receiver as the primary and the LED receiver as in secondary receiver. Within a minute, pairing will be complete. The system is now fully set up and ready to use.